Is architecture dying? No. Architecture isn't disappearing, it's evolving. What's fading are a few old habits, like thinking the job is mostly pretty drawings. The drawings still matter. But today, architecture is judged by something bigger. Does the building work in real life? Here's what's happening to architecture jobs and the skills that will matter most. First, aesthetic only is shrinking. Clients don't just pay for a beautiful image, they pay for a building that can actually be built on time, within budget, and without surprises. So architects are becoming more connected to construction, coordination, and delivery, not just concepts. Second, BIM is becoming the default. BIM means you're not only drawing, you're building a digital version of the building. It helps teams coordinate structure, heating, ventilating, and air conditioning, electrical, and architecture, so fewer mistakes happen on site. In many offices, BIM skills aren't a bonus anymore. They're expected. Third, sustainability isn't optional, it's the new baseline. Buildings use a lot of energy. Materials create carbon. Cities get hotter. So architects are asked, how do we reduce energy use? How do we design for heat, wind, daylight? Can we choose materials that are lower carbon? Can we renovate instead of demolish? This is why retrofit and renovation are growing so fast, because the future is often fixing what already exists. And yes, AI is entering architecture. But here's the important part. AI doesn't replace judgment. It can generate options quickly. It can speed up early design exploration. But an architect still has to decide what's safe, what's legal, what's buildable, what's ethical, and what actually serves people. So what roles are growing? Building information modeling, coordination and management, sustainable design and building performance, retrofit and renovation, computational design, using tools to test and optimize ideas, and strong project delivery skills, because the best design is useless if it can't be built well. What's shrinking? The version of architecture that stays only in pictures. If your work ends at, it looks nice, you'll struggle. If you can connect beauty to performance, you'll stand out. So what skills make you future-proof? Start with strong fundamentals: design thinking, space, proportion, and storytelling. Then add real-world power: BIM, basic building systems, construction logic, and codes. And add sustainability literacy: energy, daylight, materials, and comfort. Plus one soft skill that matters more than people admit: communication. Architecture is teamwork. So no, architecture isn't dying. It's shedding an old skin. Pretty only is fading. Buildable, sustainable, well-coordinated architecture is rising. And the core stays the same: shaping spaces that help people live better. If you're choosing a path, comment one word: design, BIM, or sustainability, and I'll reply with a good starting point. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this useful. I truly appreciate your time, and I can't wait to see which path you choose. Catch you in the next one: